In case you didn't know, there are several cheat sheets on the internet where you can see the runtime complexity of various operations on different data structures. But I personally am not a fan of these cheat sheets, and I discourage you from using these, especially if you're preparing for a job interview. Because when it comes to data structures, memorization doesn't work. You really need to understand the concepts. You need to understand how these data structures work, how they store values, how you can perform various operations on them, and what is the runtime complexity of these operations. That's why I have been giving you these exercises and asking you questions in the middle of the videos to get you involved and make you think. So if you've been watching this course like an entertaining movie, sorry, you gotta stop and go back. You should do the exercises before going further. Because as we go through the course, you're going to learn about other types of data structures, and if you don't understand exactly how they work, you're not going to be able to answer interview questions because there's so much you have to memorize, and that doesn't work. So, assuming that you have been actively participating, let's look at the differences between arrays and linked lists.